Pets. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw an Adopt Me Tasmanian Tiger. So let's start. So first, let's draw the eyes. Okay, now let's draw the nose. Draw it right here, almost to the left eye, and then make a rectangle, a small rectangle. Okay, there. Now let's draw the ears. One curve ear here, a little long, and then another one here, another curve. Then make a line under the curves, and then it's like a triangle that's a little curvy. Okay, then let's make another one. Okay, make another long curve. Long curve here. Now let's make another line. Good. Now let's make the same. Now let's make the same one. This time a big curve here and another big curve here. Right here. Next let's draw a long curve right here. Oh, a little longer there. Okay, then let's make the same one as this, the big one. Okay, another big curve here and another here. Then let's make the body. Make a big curve, then another big curve on the Tasmanian Tiger's body there, and then connect it with another curve. It's okay if you make mistakes if it just says match, okay? Then let's make a big circle, usually only like this circle like that. Then let's make some lines, triangles, 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Now let's make the tail up because I don't have space now. First the front feet. One. Okay. Let's make the back feet now. There. Now we're going to color it. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell if you like this video and thumbs up if you like it. Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye!